Hello, hello, this is Sharif for Just Nailed It. As you know, it is Saturday, which means it is SheModern Saturday. Today we are playing with some pigments of blue pearlescent shimmer and the green light pearlescent shimmer. Really two beautiful colors by SheModern. What I did, and I'm going to do, is I ombre them on 3 nails so far. And I've got 2 left to do on camera with you. I'm going to be using, some foil glue. Just lightly brush them on the nail. You can cap it if you want. You don't have to. I wouldn't. If you're using gel doing this, then yes, go ahead and cap the ends of your nails. I'm going to let that sit for a minute until this turns white, even though it is on natural nails, white nails, whichever you prefer to call it. We're also going to be using some cherry blossom foil water decals. It is called Flower Branch 2 because it has got the 2-tone colors. This is in pink and black. I think these are really neat. I love cherry blossoms, and that's exactly what this reminds me of. So that's what we're working with today. We are going to put these on the nails after the pigments. Excuse me. I've already got them cut out, trimmed up, and scored. I'm going to place one on the index and one on the ring finger. Let those soak while I do the pigments. Remove those off to the side. It doesn't take them long at all. So I'm going to jump in here. Get my green going on each nail. And the blue. Just tap them on lightly. Whoops, I was going to say you don't need a whole lot, and you don't. A little goes a long way. And there we go with that nail. Sorry. You might want to keep your lint roller handy for set items. You do get a little green and blue by doing this. Need a little bit more blue here. I think this looks really neat, the 2 colors together. I'm going to get me a fan brush. As you can see, this is not a fan brush. As you can see, I have got liquid latex around the nails just to protect the cuticle area, just as if I was doing this on real nails. It saves on cleanup time. I mean, there'll be a little bit of cleanup to do, but not much. Put a little bit more green on this one. Well, just a smidge darker. There we go. I think that looks really cute. I like the way they both look. I'm going to take just any old random top coat, and I'm going to take Broadway from, where did I get this from? Dollar General. And I'm just going to top coat the pinky nail because I'm not putting a decal on that one. This is not my final top coat. I'm going to now peel off the liquid latex. And this liquid latex was sent to me by Princess Nails by Diana. And she got it, I believe, from Five Below. Where's the bottle? I had the bottle out here so I could show it to you. And I don't see it. It's this big old bottle. And you can get it at Five Below. Really, really decent size. I have no idea what I did with it. Talking about... Oh, here it is. It is called Cutiful Nails Manicure Masking Fluid. And as you see, it was blue. It's got the long neck in here, which just needs to be cleaned out. We got a little bit of yuckies inside of here. Oh, we got some in the neck of the bottles. It's definitely got to be cleaned out. I'm going to leave it open off to the side here. I just got to clean this out real quick. Sorry, folks, but, you know, this is kind of yucky and gross, and don't want it in the neck of the latex remover, or the latex here. It'll happen, but I still don't want it. So I got this all cleaned up. Sorry about that, just had to do it. My hands are not as dry as they sound, I promise you. Put my caps back on my pearlescent shimmers. We are ready to continue, but I am going to pause this for just one moment and I will be right back with you. Alrighty, I am back. Sorry, I was a little bit parched there. I got my remover sitting off here to the side, and I'm going to go ahead now and do some cleanup on the nails from the pearlescent powders, glitters, whichever you want to call them. Just want to get this off the nails now. Ooh, sorry. It's kind of gross doing that, doesn't it? Like as if it was a real nail. But I just want to get that cleaned up. Sorry about that. I am going to be putting these on with the stamper. So let me get that out. I was not quite prepared, as I usually am. Let me spin this baby around. This is the one I'm going to be using first. Have a tissue, a lint-free white paper towel, something of that sort to dab off the water. And place on the nail. Take your rubber, I'm not sure what's it called, whoops. It could be called a, let me press this down again. Wow. That did not want to stick. Usually I put a rubber base coat down sometimes, and that's what I'm going to do. It'll just adhere the decal to the nail. If you're using gels, it would stick to your base coat because your base coat is sticky. Here, we're just using it to help stick to the nail, to the pigments. So, and that's what we're going to do. Stamp this back on the nail. Get my tool back over here once. Get the right side. There we go. We're going to go in for our next one, pick it up, dab off, and we're going to place this one on the index nail. Use this lightly, you don't need a lot of pressure. Get your cleanup. Put your palettes away. Get the lint roller, clean your hands up just to be sure that you have no loose pigments or sticking from them. Now I am going to go in with my water-based top coat by Born Pretty. Put these over the decaled nails. And when this is slightly tacky, I am going to top coat. I think this is a really neat design. I like the two colors together of the pigment and along with the two colors of the decals. Ouch. What do you think? I think they look good together. Look at us. Floated sidewalls here. There we go. I am going to be using my Sesh feet to seal this in. This is my favorite top coat. And a lot of people are probably thinking, why am I using Sesh feet on these nails when they're not real? It's not my real hand. Cap them. Well, I do save them. Any design that I have done on Flexi here, I have saved. So I don't know for what purpose, but for my own, I guess, just so if I want to go back and revisit, show them again, I have them. There we go. Nails are top coated and capped. And you put all your tools away now. We are finished. The manicure is complete. SheModern Saturday is going to be coming to an end. We have got flower branches, SheModern calls them. I call them Japanese cherry blossoms. I think they are really cute. Love the blue and green together along with the pink and the black. And if you were using gels, you would top coat and cure. And you would call it a day. I think I am going to be bringing out the gels in the next week or so. So you can look forward to that. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this. I am currently having a giveaway running, trying to reach my 500 milestone. SheModern is one of the sponsors. There will be two $50 gift cards for water decals only. No pigments, no stencils. Check out that video. Look for it. If you're not subscribed already, please do so. Ring the bell. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you were here. And let me know what you think of my manicure. Thanks for watching. Thank you for your support. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be me. I wouldn't be here. I'd be me, but I wouldn't be here. So as always, have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.